For many years, Pennsylvania's job creators, large and small, have struggled to compete, even survive, under one of the worst business tax structures in the country.
Employers don't want to be here if they don't have a favorable tax environment in comparison to other states. And we want them here to stay here, expand here, locate here, start up here. Why? Because they create family-sustaining jobs.
The Delaware loophole is a legal tax planning practice allowing some Pennsylvania corporations to avoid paying their full tax liability. Lawmakers say the loophole might be legal, but it is unfair for businesses that are paying their fair share.
The proposal set forth in House Bill 2150 contains an expense add-back provision. Basically, it targets specific companies that are using the loophole to move money from Pennsylvania to another state with the sole purpose of avoiding paying their tax liability in Pennsylvania. Companies can still have holding companies. Companies can still move money from one state to another if they like. But if they're generating profits as a result of their operations in Pennsylvania, they'll be required to add back those profits in their Pennsylvania tax liability.
While it's important to close the Delaware loophole, House Republicans insist it's just as important to reform the entire tax system. They've come together with their Democrat colleagues on a plan to use the revenue recovered from closing the loophole to lower the corporate net income tax and enact other needed changes. Similar plans have been implemented in 23 other states with good success.
It's excellent, and it's excellent for the people at home in Luzerne County who are wanting to get back to work. Right now is the right time to close the Delaware loophole and at the same time lower the corporate net income tax. These are two things that both parties have been battling with, and it's wonderful that we're able to come together and make this happen. I'm a strong proponent of this proposal. It is bipartisan, and it's going to help the people operating businesses in Pennsylvania. It's going to help them to continue operating them and to employ more people.
You can learn more about the House Republican plan to create more business opportunities and more job opportunities in the Commonwealth. Log on to PAHouseGOP.com.